may be humpback whale calling for help. We've got to call to the humpback whale to tell him we're coming. Say, "Ahoo-ah! Ahoo-ah!" Great! Come on, let's go! Look, there are different ways to go. Let's think like scientists. This path is filled with lots and lots of plants and trees. It probably goes back to the rainforest. And this path is sandy. And look! Seagulls are flying along this path. I bet this path goes to the ocean. And this path goes up. And it's rocky. It probably goes up to the mountain. Do whales live in the rainforest, the ocean, or the mountain? The ocean, right! Come on!